Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you do not have permissions to execute 16-bit applications on Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key under Windows named as applicant. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type VDM disallowed. V, D, M and D are capital letters. Change value data to 0, click OK and close Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.